Hello students, today we are going to discuss the equation of the parabola, and after that we will discuss the length of data system and summarize the various terms which we have discussed in previous video. So let us start equation of parabola. Consider a parabola. Consider the graph of the parabola. This point is known as the vertex of the parabola and this is the directrix of the parabola. Consider this is the focus of the parabola. The coordinates of the focus is taken as a, 0. Here this is the origin having the coordinates 0, 0. Now the distance of this point from the focus, which is equal to a, and this is also equal to the distance of this line from vertex, that is also equal to a. Then equation of this line is written as x equal to minus a, because this line lies to the left side of the origin, or it can also be written as x plus a equal to 0. Now we have to find out the equation of this parabola. For this we take an arbitrary point P having the coordinates x, y on the parabola, then the distance of this point from focus, and from this line this remains equal. So for equation, let Px, y be an arbitrary point on the parabola. Then by definition of parabola, we can write Pf equal to Pm. Pf equal to Pm. Now Pf is equal to the distance between 2 points, which can be written as x minus a square plus y minus 0 square. And Pm is the distance of this line from this point, which is equal to modulus of this can also be written as x plus 0 y plus a equal to 0. Now distance of this line from this point can be written as x plus 0 y plus a upon under root coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is 0. Now squaring both sides, then we get x square minus 2ax plus a square. Opening this square using the formula a minus b square, this is equal to a square minus 2a plus b square. Now y minus 0 is equal to y, so this becomes y square. This is equal to x plus a. This is x plus a, and the value of this is 1. So we can write it as x plus a square. So we can write x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. Now a square is cancelled out with a square and x square is cancelled out with x square. So we can write y square is equal to, this is transposed to right side, then we get 4ax. This is the equation of this parabola. It is clear, students? Now let us know what is length of the data system. All of you know lattice system is the line segment which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Suppose that this is the focus having the coordinates a, 0. Then the line segment which passes through this and perpendicular to the axis. This line segment is known as the lateral septum. So we have to find out the length of lateral septum. Length of lateral septum. Length of lateral septum AB equal to 2L. Then due to symmetry, this length is divided into two equal parts. Now the coordinate of this point A can be written as A comma L. X coordinate is equal to A and Y coordinate is equal to L, and coordinate of this point is A comma minus L. A is the X coordinate and minus L is the Y coordinate. So equation of parabola, all of you know, equation of this parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Consider this equation as equation number 1. Now point A comma L lie on parabola. So this point must satisfy equation of parabola. So we can write L square equal to 4a into a. This is equal to 4a square. Then L is equal to 2a. Now length of lateral septum is equal to 2L, and which becomes 4a. This is the length of the lateral septum. It is clear, students? Now let us summarize. Let us know three other forms of the parabola. There are total 4 forms of the parabola, in which we have discussed one form. There are 3 more forms of parabola. There are 4 forms of the parabola. One is right-angled parabola. In this, the parabola is open to the right side. The next one is left-handed parabola. This is right-handed parabola. In the left-handed parabola, the parabola is opening to the left side. This is the left-handed parabola. And the equation of right-handed parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, and equation of the left-handed parabola is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Now there are 2 more forms. The third one is upward parabola. Upward parabola is such like this. This parabola is opening upward, and the equation is x square is equal to plus 4a1. And the last one is downward parabola. In the downward parabola, the parabola is open to the downward side. Such figure is known as downward parabola, and the equation of this is x square equal to minus 4ay. This is the equation y square equal to 4ax. This is the equation y square equal to minus 4ax. This is the equation x square equal to 4ay, and this is the equation x square equal to minus 4ay. So these are the four forms of the parabola. Now we will summarize what we have studied till now. Serial number, characteristics, and right-handed parabola, left-handed parabola, upward parabola, upward parabola, and the last one is downward parabola. So first one is the graph. In the right-handed parabola, the parabola is open to the right hand side, and in left-handed parabola, parabola is open to the left hand side. In upward parabola, parabola is open towards upward side, and in downward parabola, parabola is open to the downward side. These are the graphs of the four parabolas. Second is equation. Equation of this parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Equation of this parabola is y square equal to minus 4ax. Equation of this parabola is x square equal to 4ay. And equation of this parabola is x square equal to minus 4ay. These are the equations of the all parabolas. Now vertex is at origin and having the coordinates 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Next, focus lie on x-axis to the right side of the origin, having the coordinates a comma 0, and in this minus a comma 0. In this, focus lie on the y-axis, so coordinates becomes 0 comma a and 0 comma minus a. Equation of directrix. Directrix is parallel to y-axis, so equation is equal to x equal to minus a, x equal to a, y equal to a, because directrix is parallel to x-axis. So equation of this line becomes y equal to a, and equation of this line, minus a, because line lies below the origin, and equation of this line is y equal to a. The next one is axis. Axis of this parabola is x-axis, and of this parabola is also x-axis. Axis of this parabola is y-axis, and axis of this parabola is also y-axis. And last one is length of lattice system. This is equal to 4a, and for this is also 4a, 4a and 4a. It is clear, students? Now we are going to discuss some problems based on these four forms of the parabola. So the question, consider a question in which find coordinates of vertex, focus, axis of parabola, axis, equation of directrix and length of lateral septum. Length of lateral septum for the parabola first one is y square is equal to 12x. Second one is y square is equal to minus 16x. Third one is x square is equal to 2y, and fourth one is x square is equal to minus y. So these are four parabolas. We have to find out like coordinates of the vertex and focus, axis, equation of directrix, and length of the lateral septum for all of these four parabolas. We are going to discuss one of them, and the rest of the three are for your practice. Consider the parabola this: x square is equal to minus y. Comparing with standard equation, x square equal to minus 4ay, so we get 4a equal to 1, then value of a becomes 1 by 4. Now what we have to find out? This is the parabola is downward. This is downward parabola. And for the coordinates of the vertex, which is origin, then coordinates of vertex becomes 0, 0, and the next one is coordinate of the focus. In this parabola, the graph of the parabola is like this. And in such parabola, the focus lies on y-axis and below the origin. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Focus lies below the origin and on y-axis. So coordinates of the focus are 0, minus a. That is 0, minus 1 by 4, because value of a is 1 by 4. And axis of symmetry is y-axis. Axis is y-axis. And next is equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Directrix is parallel to the x-axis. So equation of this line is y equal to a. That is y equal to 1 by 4. This is the equation of the directrix. And last one is the length of lateral septum, which is equal to 4a, and the value of 4a is equal to 1. So these are the required information for this parabola. You can practice for 1, 2 and third parabola in the same way. It is clear, students? Now let us take one more question. So students, the question is that find the equation of parabola. Find the equation of parabola whose vertex is 6, 0, having vertex at 6, 0 and directrix is x equal to -6 and directrix is x equal to -6. So from here it is clear that the vertex is at 6, this is focus. Focus is at the x-axis because y coordinate is 0. So because focus lies on x-axis, so parabola is either left-handed or right-handed. There are two possibilities. The parabola is either left-handed or right-handed. Now, if we observe the coordinate of focus, which are 6, 0, in this x coordinate is positive. X coordinate is positive, that means focus is lying on right to the origin. So parabola is open to the right side. So this is the right-handed parabola. So parabola is right-handed. Parabola is right-handed. It is clear, students? Now we know that equation of parabola is right-handed parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Now we have to find out the value of a. Here the coordinates of focus are a, 0, which are given as 6, 0. So here we have a equal to 6. So putting the value of a in this, we get y square equal to 4 into 6x. This is equal to 24x. So this is the equation of the parabola. It is clear, students? Today we are leaving the topic here. In the next video, we will discuss the next portion of the conic section, which is ellipse. Okay, students, thank you.